Oh my days. My YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today's video, I have experimented with doing a braided ponytail. Quarantine has me trying out new hairstyles in my house, so I really wanted to do this look. It's something that I never would have usually done, but I just thought, why not? And it's turned out quite good. Like, you guys will see the struggle that happened throughout me doing this. And this is not a tutorial, this is just me trying out a new hairstyle and just like filming it and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. Before we do, if you are watching this and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, so you are notified every time I upload a video. We are trying to get to 5k, so yeah, hit the subscribe button. But let's get into it. I said in the intro, I'm gonna be experimenting a little bit with a hairstyle. So I've been really liking the braided ponytail, so I figured I will try and do that in my house. Hopefully it's gonna turn out good. I've been watching a lot of tutorials on how to do it and stuff, so we're just gonna do it. My hair is dirty at the minute. It's got like dry gel in it and stuff, so yeah, that's the whole reason why I thought I'd do it now before I wash my hair. So I'm just gonna comb it and get all the like knots out and stuff. Comb it to like position of where I want the ponytail. I'm thinking about here. Yeah. Okay, so gel. This is the gel that I'm using. It's the Eco Style gel. I'm just gonna get quite a bit because I want it to be quite sleek looking. I might put some coconut oil in my hair as well. So I'm just gonna brush that back into place. I'm hoping this comes out good. I actually haven't like done this hairstyle before. This is the first time doing it on camera. So yeah, should be okay. Be helpful if I had a an actual mirror as well. I'm just using this like viewfinder, that's why I'm looking up. So I'm going to be looking this way because that's where my mirror is now, so it's going to be easier for me to actually like slick my hair than just using the camera. So let's get back to slicking this. I'm just going to sort out my baby hairs. So this is my hair slicked up. Let's make sure we get this back part as well. So with my actual hair, I'm gonna plait it into the braid. I think it will just blend a little bit better, and also I won't have like a little bun or a ball at the back of my head. So yeah, anyway, this is the hair. I've taken it out of the packaging already. This is the one that I have. Impression, and it's the color 1B. I always go with color 1Bs. It already comes half like this, but I have put in like an elastic band here. Why have we gone dark? Is that better? Okay, so I'm gonna, hopefully you guys can see this. I'm just tying it around my actual ponytail. Can I fit? No. Okay. Woo. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. I don't know whether I should actually, I think I'm gonna cut that elastic band off because you can't see that. That is the hair on. Oh, I think this is gonna look good. With the two parts of the braids, I'm gonna half each of this section. Like that, and I'm also going to take some of my hair in with it as well. We're getting tangled, guys. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot. Leave yourself a little bit of hair to actually wrap around the braid. I make the sections as even as you can. So as you can see, I've got my 3 sections. I really cannot explain how to plait hair, guys, so this is hard. Oh my days. As I'm going along, I'm going to use some of my gel, because just to slick down like my hair that's in there. We're getting somewhere, but I'm just so tangled up, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't want to let the hair, like, look at this. I'm actually going to get some scissors and cut this bottom part down. Nah, what the hell is going on right now? How are you not doing this? I'm getting some scissors. Okay, I got some scissors and I'm gonna chop out some of these knots because this is not cute. Hey, all right, I'm moving somewhere, guys. All right, just messed up my plait. Right, we're moving. Just gonna like split some more of the hair because I think I've put too much hair in some of the sections. I'm getting somewhere, guys. We are on a oh. My battery's dying. Of course my battery's dying. Won't let me be great. Honestly, I'm just trying to have a ponytail. How long do we go? Oh, I think I'm going to stop here, because I think that's a decent length. I'm not too sure what you do to the end part, but we'll figure it out and I'll make it look cute somehow. But we have a plait, yeah. And then with this part that I left out, hopefully I've left enough, and that is just going to wrap around my braid. So if we just keep wrapping, that should hopefully like hide the elastic, the band, and just make it look more of like a ponytail. So we just keep wrapping, and when it gets hairy, then I'm just gonna add some gel halfway through. What fucking ugh. I'm gonna get some hairspray. This is what you call a struggle braid, but it's fine. Hair's starting to come up. So this is the finished braid. You could probably just like loosen it up if you want it to be a little bit more thicker. I'm happy with it just being like nice and neat, so I'm not gonna like go too crazy. But I'm happy with it. I think it looks really good. Like, this is something that I definitely would have never done, but quarantine has me experimenting with hairstyles and stuff, so this is it. What do you guys think? Braid has turned out quite good as well. This wasn't a tutorial, this was just me like experimenting and filming my process of doing it. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. So my camera actually died before you guys got to see the end of the braid and how I actually finished it off and got to like this feathered out. I literally just got a pair of scissors and just like chopped it through just to like thin out the end. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm definitely going to be trying out this hairstyle again. I think it's just one to add to the books. But yeah, I'm happy that I've done it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.